Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all had an amazing holiday with your family. Today, I'm finally, I say finally because I've been wanting to do this for a couple of days after Christmas, and I'm finally have the energy to do so. I'm gonna be taking down our Christmas decorations and just have like a clean slate to start with. So getting rid of the tree and just everything. Like I just want a clean slate here. It's so overwhelming after the holidays for me, like making room for all of the new toys and all of the presents and things. And you know, I've been on a journey for the last year to declutter my house and not have too much clutter, especially going into the winter. Feeling super good though. Like I feel like I'm gonna not have the seasonal depression this year. I feel like I've got a good handle on it going into the winter. But anyway, that's what we're doing today, taking down all the Christmas decorations. Sydney's busy playing in her playroom. And yeah, we're gonna start off the new year with a clean slate, fresh, clean house, which is always an A in my book. And this, it's going away. It's going away. It's gonna be clean.
Gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors.
If you guys don't follow on Instagram, look at Sydney's little Christmas ornament she made at school. How precious.
And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way.
So I hope you guys had an amazing holiday season and break, hopefully a little break with your family and loved ones. Sydney and I mean, it was very unplanned for me to kind of relax as much as I did and not film. I thought I would just, I don't know, get back to filming a couple of days after Christmas, but honestly, I just enjoyed the time with Sydney. We went to Disney on Ice. We went to see Sing 2 on New Year's Eve, which I was like trying to vlog a little bit, but then we ended up going to the movies instead of what I had planned. So can't really vlog the movies. But nonetheless, you know, definitely enjoyed the time off. I never take or give myself vacation time. It's really hard in this industry to like draw the line between, you know, personal and wanting to like always upload like the videos and the pictures and just chat because it seems easy, but it's also work and, you know, can be mentally exhausting. But anyway, Sydney's back to school this morning as I am filming this voiceover, and I am going to be sitting down and sharing with you like a little chit chat just to enter the new year, talking about my goals, kind of give like recaps about just life in general. So I will be doing that. I feel like I need to catch you up to speed. And I just want to chit chat with you. It was so cute. Sydney wanted to help me clean up all of that fake snow. Honestly, there would be half as much of it, but we had many of intense hide and go seek games behind the Christmas tree. So that's why all of that fake snow is on the ground. It felt so good to clean up after Christmas and just, you know, kind of declutter, even though I always feel like I have no decorations after I clean all of my Christmas stuff up. It actually felt really good to have like an empty house. Clutter gives me anxiety, especially in the winter.
I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to...
All right, so I have a ton of Christmas decorations that I didn't use for the last, I don't know, maybe 2-3 years. So I'm literally just gonna put it in a bin and bring it to Goodwill. It is very glittery. Because I need to be able to use these bins.
This looks like a beehive.
It does. Mommy. Like back when I used to use glitter to decorate. It's my nemesis.
Mommy, I don't want you to put like these at Goodwill because I wanna. Please.
Okay. But all of this stuff, I mean, I just haven't used it in years, so it's gotta go. It's gotta go. Oh my goodness, how did that one get lost? This one. Oh, that one I gotta keep, obviously.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to.
Oh my
Got nothing to lose. You're looking so, you're looking so. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do, baby. Let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you.
We'll clean your room. Yeah, we'll undecorate your room. There, and I don't have to buy new bins because I have plenty of bins full of things that I never used. So perfect. Yeah, I'll get us. I have another bin, honey. Okay.
Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh.
All right, now we're gonna tackle Sydney's room, aren't we?
I'm hiding.
I can't see.
I'm invisible. Even if you see me, I'm invisible.
Oh, where did Sydney go?
Mommy, even if you see me, I'm invisible.
Where did Sydney go?
Invisible.
All right, kiddo, are you ready to take down the Christmas decorations? The ones you worked so hard to put up?
Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do, baby. Let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, baby. Let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby. Let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, baby. Let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby. Let me love you.
Okay. Okay, so I can go ahead and put this coffee maker back in storage since I have actual Nespresso pods again. Just one less thing that I have to have on my counters since I have no space, which is actually gonna be my next house project. It might be, you know, a few months until I do it, but I'm gonna have the microwave instead of like this on the counter since I have no space. I'm gonna end up doing a microwave over the oven range. A lot of people who live where I live actually have that in their kitchen so that they have, you know, a little bit more counter space. So that will be my next house project. I don't know, maybe in the spring or something, but I don't know. Sidetracked because I was thinking about how I have no counter space moving this baby.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile,
At one point I had plans to have this like basket be a cute little hold one decorative blanket basket, but Sydney adopted it and has a million of her blankets in here, so I wanted to clean up this corner just a little bit. I did donate a couple of her baby blankets, and I am slowly but surely going through things, of course, to bring to Goodwill. I don't think I shared in this video, but I brought like 4 bags of stuff to Goodwill, which was... it feels so great. And then Sydney got a bunch of Christmas stuff. She's very blessed and lucky. She did get her dollhouse. I didn't film Christmas morning or anything. I really, kept it intimate, as small. Of course, I took like pictures and videos for myself, but she loves her little dollhouse. She's been playing with her dinosaurs with it, a little karaoke machine she got from her aunt and uncle. So we've just been playing with all of the things and lots of games as well. It felt so good to take the Christmas stuff down and have like a clean house. I was starting to feel super overwhelmed, like with just like clutter and all of that. So it feels really good to take that down, have a clean house. It's New Year's Eve today. So Sydney and I, we're gonna go check out the local trampoline park. We haven't been in over 2 years. And I just was thinking about what can we do today. And I figured that would be a fun little adventure to go. But I don't know, because we haven't been in a couple of years and we didn't buy tickets ahead of time. So we're gonna go see. I don't know if you have to do that. Don't know if it's busy. We're just gonna go check it out and find something to do. All right, change of plans. I was far too uncomfortable. We'll try a less busy day. I didn't expect it to be like that. But anyway, so change of plans. We're gonna go to Starbucks. I'm gonna get a coffee. I told Sydney I would get her a cake pop, or maybe a snowman cookie, whatever they...
I do want a snowman cookie.
Whatever they have in stock, okay? And now we are actually close to the movie theaters, and I've been wanting to see Sing 2, or take Sydney to see Sing 2, so maybe we will go do that instead. I just, if you guys don't know, I suffer from like mesophobia, germophobia. It's an actual phobia. So anyway, so I tried. We will do that another day, a less busy day. So let's look up Sing 2. So we are sitting in the car having some Subway for lunch, and we're gonna go see Sing 2. So the movie theater that went out of business, apparently they put in just a different movie brand here. So that was A+. We went and got our tickets, so we're all set. You eating your pickle? Yeah, and I heard Sing 2 was really cute. I know a couple of people who have gone to see it, and everyone was like raving about it. So I figured movies on New Year's Eve is like classic celebration for us. And she was such a good girl, being flexible. We'll do the bounce place another day. Sydney was being like, she's just like went with the flow, which I love. What a break, vacation, Christmas, whatever you call it. What a break we have had. It's been so amazing to just relax. We went to Disney on Ice. We went to the movies and saw Sing 2 for New Year's Eve, and it was very cute. Very cute movie. And so that was really nice. We've been pretty much relaxing, playing games, playing outside, like not doing a whole lot of anything interesting, but relaxing, which has been amazing. So today's the last day of break. Sydney goes back to school tomorrow. And we are out right now because I want to go grab myself a straightener. I'm dying, you guys. Dying to just do something with my hair. Doesn't mean I'm not gonna wear it curly, you know, here and there, but it's time. It's time for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get myself a straightener today at Ulta, and of course I'm in line at Starbucks. Want to get myself an iced coffee, and
can I have something too? Yes,
honey. So maybe like egg bites or something to munch on. That's what we're doing today. I'm gonna. What, honey?
But not crumbs because you don't like crumbs in your car.
Right, no cookie crumbs in the car today. Yeah, I'm gonna chat with you guys about like my New Year's goals, if you will, for the new year. Not like resolutions or anything. I don't even know what the difference between resolutions and goals, but just gonna be chatting with you guys about like what my plans and hopes are for this new year. Also, last night I must have slept wrong on my arm because my shoulder hurts so bad right now. I was up late last night in my bed watching The Unforgivable on Netflix. I think that's what it's called, with Sandra Bullock. You guys, it's so good. And then I cried my eyelashes off, so I took them off this morning. But it was really good. If you guys are wanting to watch something like a movie or something, The Unforgivable on Netflix. A venti iced coffee with oat milk and classic sweetener, please. Can we do some the egg white bites, please? Super quick run to Ulta, and I ended up getting this straightener. It's one of the cheaper ones, but it had good reviews. It's the Revlon double straight copper ceramic straightener. I don't know. I always look for one that's got adjustable heat and has decent reviews, and all of the reviews are really good. But that's the one that I picked up. I think it was about $60. We got egg bites from Starbucks. I think it's cool enough now so that Sydney can eat that in the car. And I do want to go quickly run. We need some fruit since she's gonna go to school tomorrow. I need to make sure I have like fruit and food for her lunches and whatnot. Here's your egg bite, baby. I already ate the other one. It's really good.
What has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back.